أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Bismi, in the name Allah, of Allah. Ar-Rahmani, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Alhamdu, all praises and thanks. Lillahi, be to Allah. Rabbil, the Lord. Al-Alameen, of the universe. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Maliki, the master. Yawmid, of the day. Ad-Deen, of the judgment. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. Wa iyaka, and you alone. Nasta'een, we ask for help. Ihdina, guide us. Siratal, to the path. Al-Mustaqim, the straight. Siratal, the path. Al-Lazina, of those. An'amta, you have bestowed your favors. Alayhim, on them. Ghairil, not of. Maghzubi, those who earned your wrath. Alayhim, on themselves. Walaz, and not. Zaleen, of those who go astray. Sadaqallahul Azim. If you want to learn the Holy Quran word by word translation in English, then please contact me on my WhatsApp number 00923165062162. Hope to meet you soon in my next lecture. Till that time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Please like and subscribe my channel.